Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you areas that we need to continue holding here on the Vechain chart, and also discuss my next trade setup. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And since we have fully maximized the target area, there are high chances that now we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can expect Vechain to see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this wave 1, after seeing this breakdown move on the 10th of July, giving us a low at around the $0.01785 mark, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02232 mark. And that is the minimum that you can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So the moment we see a reaction of this target area, see a break above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts, maybe with a successful retest and a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark, then from that point we can easily see Vechain get above the $0.022 mark in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And to also give you my long-term analysis since the 10th of July, that is the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01322 mark, we started gearing up impulsively, where we put in place this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.02134 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. You can see that we saw a reaction of the target area, and we are now gearing up in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I have also been expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, where now Vechain has given us the formation of this wave 1, a wave 2, and I'm now expecting another bounce in the formation of this wave 3 before we can see a wave 4 and then a wave 5, fully maximizing minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. Alternatively, in case we don't see that massive bounce that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart, and maybe at some point we continue seeing further breakdown back into this red target area that I have right here, then that will be suggesting that we don't have a low in place for this second wave, and whatever we have on the charts is still an ABC corrective structure. That is a corrective structure where we can term it as an ABC corrective structure and expect one more new low in the formation of that wave C in the red target area before we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. That is the alternative scenario that we can have in case the bullish one fails here on the charts. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.